Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at canva.com/education, where, as it says here, you can have lesson plans, infographics, posters, videos, and much more 100% for free. You just need to go ahead and make sure to get verified. Put your information in, you'll be verified, and then here's how you can use it with your students as well, which is really amazing. You can go ahead and invite members. Now, a few things to point out. If you invite via a share link, anyone with this link can join the class. So if it was shared outside of your classroom to anyone in the world, they could join it. So just letting you know that you could go ahead through and share via an invite link, but this will always be open and anyone, if they have it, could join. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and invite via Google Classroom. So you'll need to go through the steps here and then select it. That will invite them. And I'll show you what it looks like here in just a little bit. Now we just imported and it shows an email. So it's going to say send invitations. So it's been sent out, but they're not going to receive emails, at least in the district where I work. But what's really nice though, is you can go ahead in and you could just go ahead in and put Canva as a link, just like this. Make sure to post it. And then I'll show you what it looks like from a student point of view. Okay, so I put in Canva here, just like you just saw. I'm in as a student. So I'm going to select this. Then you can see right away they're in. If for some reason it comes up, I'm just going to sign out real quickly here. If it comes out, just show you again, we can just click here. They'll need to log in. In this example, it's Google. And sure enough, here they are. And it is available for them. So I will show more in the future of things you can use with Canva. But I just wanted to show you how you could sign up and then how you could have your students join your classroom with no one else being able to join it. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.